Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the fourth lesson of sixth standard, basic geometric ideas. Basic geometric ideas. In previous year, you can learn some of the ideas about some geometrical construction. So in detail, we can discuss in this lesson basic geometrical idea. Just I give a simple introduction about the basic geometrical ideas. Geometry has a long and rich history. The term it is the geometry in the English is equivalent of Greek word geometrian. Geo means earth and metrion means measurement. According to historians, the geometrical ideas shaped up in ancient times, probably due to the need in art and architecture and need for measurement. These include occasion when the boundaries of cultivated land had to be marked without giving a room complaints. The construction of palaces, temples, lakes, dams, and cities, art and architecture propped up these ideas. Even today, geometrical ideas are the is in all forms of art and measurements, architecture, engineering, and etc. So the idea of geometry is not only now; it's a very historical and very long. It's a very long back process. So we can discuss in detail. Let's we start the here. So what are the topics to be covered? Introduction to geometry, point, line segment, line, ray, angle, triangle, quadrilateral, circle. The geometry, what we are going to learn in geometry in a simple words, geometry is all about shapes, variety of shapes that we see around us. Let's look at some of the examples where we encounter shapes in our day-to-day life. Let's say that somebody asks you where is your school located and how far is your school from the shopping complex and from the bank. Now where you are sitting at your home, how do you actually locate your school? So let's say you take map, you take sheet paper, draw the road roughly, and then you try to point out the locations of your schools using a dot. You put a dot and you see that is where is the school. And similarly, you put a dot where you see this is where the bank located. This gives an approximate idea about the how far the school is from the bank. Similarly, again with the dot try to show where the shopping complex is. So what these are dots. These dots are points. These points are satisfying location of objects or location of places for the matter, but these points or shapes are also type of shapes. Let us talk about your notebook. When you look your ruled notebook, where do you see? You see this line inside the road hoops. Why do you have these lines? That is becomes in notebook you can write everything straight. So what are these lines? These lines again shapes. So these are also one of the shapes. You think of the wires and you think of the wires and street wires which connects the telephone towers or the electricity wires in your locality. Would you have seen from the towers wires go straight? So are these wires? Are these also either curved lines? Now may straight of the wires like very tightly held between two poles, but it's a slightly covered in that case. It curved line. So these also shape. Again think of the light comes out from the torch when you switch it on. So we have observed that the beam of light comes in the form of kind of straight lines in the form of rays. So this is where you see rays and what are rays? Rays again are the type of shape. here. So we encountered point, we are counted lines, and we are encountering rays. And scenario, when you open the door, somebody knocked, you try to open the door, what happens? Have you observed that orientation of the door with the base wooden frame? Well, normally every door will have wooden frame like this, and then on this wooden frames you have door situated. Do you open? The orientation of wooden frame changes, so basically the angle increases as you open the door. So is where you deal with angle. Again, plays a very important role in shape, because angle changes, the shape also changes. Now, what are all these lines, points, rise angle? So these small things from the basics of geometry, all that these things help us to form shapes that we see around us. So we can easily relate to learn, see these shapes, and shape of star, shape of heart, shape of a circle, maybe a bangle, triangle. See the different type of shapes with cone across in your day life. Most of these, like many, these shapes are closed shapes, like circle of a star or a rectangular or a kite. These are all closed shapes when you look the sun. Again, so students, these are the some of the geometrical idea and the shapes. What are the shapes we have find? Points, line, ray, angle, line segment, square, rectangle, and some other what we call figures we can find in geometrical shapes. So we can divide geometrical shapes by two types. One is closed figures, another one is plane figures. So let me discuss in next class. Thank you.